Design. As soon as you take Oculus Go out of the box, you feel like you're holding a device that costs $199, £199. Its design is sleek and has some nice subtle touches. The front panel is a slightly different shade of gray in certain lights, for example. The straps are soft and adjustable, though it's always a bit awkward adjusting and cinching down a VR headset by yourself when you're wearing it. And, though the headset feels secure on your head, we could feel it sliding up at times, causing us to push the headset back down or otherwise readjust it. Once on, Oculus Go feels incredible on the face. The plush inner lining is soft and pillowy yet has an airiness to it as well. Oculus said it consulted with the garment industry in making the Go, and this is apparent in the headset's premium comfort feel. As for wearing the device, it's important to point out two things. One is that a fair amount of light seeps through the bridge of the nose. Some people are really bothered by light leakage in VR as it breaks the immersion. Other users are able to ignore it after a while, or are otherwise not too perturbed by it. We tended to oscillate between the two ends of the spectrum. At times the light seeping through was distracting, and at others we are so caught up in a game we forgot it was there. It's hard to say how individual users will respond to light leakage, but know that it is present in the Oculus Go.